To use Santander Open Banking securely, start by understanding what open banking is. Open banking allows you to share your financial information with third-party providers, giving you more control over your data and enabling you to use new financial services. First, ensure you have a Santander account and are registered for online banking. If you are not registered, you can do so on the Santander website or through their mobile app. Next, go to the Santander website or mobile app and navigate to the Open Banking section. Here, you will find a list of approved third-party providers that you can share your data with. Choose a provider and follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the data sharing process. You will be redirected to the provider's website, where you will be asked to authenticate your identity and authorize the data sharing. Make sure you are on a secure connection, indicated by a padlock symbol in the address bar, and that the website address starts with HTTPS. Once you have authorized the data sharing, the third-party provider will be able to access your account information. You can revoke this access at any time through the Santander website or mobile app. To use open banking securely, always use strong and unique passwords. Keep your devices and software up to date, and be cautious of phishing scams. Never share your login credentials or banking details with anyone. And always check the authenticity of the website or app you are using. Additionally, make sure you understand what data you are sharing and with whom. Only share data with trusted providers. And review the terms and conditions before authorizing any data sharing. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Santander Open Banking securely and take advantage of the benefits it offers, such as increased financial flexibility and control over your data. Remember to always prioritize your security and be cautious when sharing your financial information.